Hey, welcome back to the channel. So last night we were looking at the weather, planning for our trip tomorrow to Clarenville Inn, and it wasn't looking promising. They were predicting snow on our route, so the first thing we did when we woke up in the morning was check the weather, and man was it bad. Our route most of the way to Clarenville was getting snow, which is really not good when you are on a motorcycle. In Rocky Harbor where we were at, it was a rain and snow mix, and the wind was blowing really hard. Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. You feel like the marshmallow woman?
I've been feeling like a marshmallow woman since.
I feel like the marshmallow man.
Yeah, now you're welcome to my
I've
world.
never had so many layers on.
Not yet, but I know. So get your butt outside.
Let's go outside. So we called Chris from the fish sheds to see if he had any availability for tonight, but he was fully booked. He did indicate that after tonight he did have the next several days available in a different fish shed. So we called the Ocean View Hotel, which is in Rocky Harbor, and they had availability for tonight. So we booked there for one night so that we could have a chance to figure things out. We then got all of our gear packed up and loaded up on the bike to go get checked into the hotel. The wind and rain was just whipping. Hey, it's snowing! You didn't know we were coming to a blizzard, did you? So we said goodbye to the fish sheds and checked into the Ocean View Hotel. We then decided that today would be a great day to do laundry, since the next few hours appeared like it was going to be kind of a bust with rain. So we decided to head over to the laundromat, which was only a couple blocks away. When we got there, we met a bunch of full-time RVers. Not too bad with all the layers on, but yeah, we're not going to be doing much traveling today.
Where are you guys from?
Pennsylvania in the U.S. Yeah, how about you?
From Quebec, Canada.
Okay. Yeah, you chose the better vehicle.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So we spent the next couple hours doing laundry and chatting with them. After we finished up, we packed up all of our gear and headed out for more adventure. The rain had finally passed, but it was still cold, so we decided to ride up through Grossmore National Park until we wanted to turn around. The snow-capped mountains on the ride up were absolutely gorgeous. We eventually reached a point where we were both cold, even with all of our layers on. So we turned around at this pull-off. And then soon came to a small cafe which had an open field next to it with beautiful views of the mountains. So we took some pictures before heading in for coffee and pastry. This allowed us to get warmed up, and we were back riding for more adventure. On the way up, we had seen lots of dirt roads, which shot off the main paved road, and we decided that we wanted to go and explore. Now, it is important to note that I always avoid roads which appear to be a driveway or private property. Above all, I always try to be respectful to everyone who we meet. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check back next week as we explore some beautiful off-road here in Newfoundland. And don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up to support the channel.